In its basic sense, we're a distributor of metal powders for additive manufacturing processes. As well as powder supply, we are involved in offering consultancy work and machine servicing for laser cladding systems and SLM machines.
My project is about developing new materials and process parameters for selective laser melting with the aim of reducing material use in the aerospace and automotive industries.
LPW is an SME, so we don't have the resources in terms of manpower and equipment that facilitates the level of understanding that we'd like to have of our products. The work with the university, as well as other collaborative work that we're involved with, allows us to generate that kind of understanding. Allows us access to equipment that we wouldn't normally have, as well as the expertise that we don't have in-house.
So these manufacturing technologies give designers freedom. Previously, designers were constrained by the manufacturing technologies that they had available to them. So that's why previous products all looked like they did, because they were constrained by the manufacturing process. These technologies enable the designer to think freely, and in thinking freely, it allows the designer to answer some of the needs that have been created by modern society.
There are a number of environmental benefits that we see that we'll achieve through this project. The first one is related to the powders that we sell and their manufacturing. When they're produced, they come in a wide range of particle sizes, but the applications we supply to only use a small amount. We're looking at maximising that yield that is useful material to us and the applications that we supply to. The second one is we're increasingly looking at the life cycle management of the powders that we sell. So from manufacture through the use of the powders in the process, through repeated use, and then finally the end of life solutions that could be on offer. This is something that varies from alloy to alloy, from process to process, and having access to the machines at the university will allow us to look into this in more detail.
When you're planning out your career path, as an engineer, I was always considering more going into industry rather than going down an academic route, and that's why PhD, a lot of standard PhDs wouldn't really have appealed to me that much. I quite like working with a company in the team environment, and you get that while also undertaking original research, and so you get the feeling that it's still very current and you can see it being implemented.
We see the increased understanding that we're going to get from the project as being able to help us add value to the products that we sell already. We can improve our existing products, and we should be able to, hopefully further down the line, develop a range of unique products that are LPW products solely and are unavailable from any other source.
After the PhD, my aim is to continue on the work that I'm doing with the PhD. A lot of the technology and the developments are being very commercialised at this moment in time, and so there should be a lot of opportunities to forward the work that we are doing with the company.